Everyone, good morning children. Welcome to Phoenix International Group of Schools. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and doing well. And I hope that you are studying at home also. Yes, students. As you know children, this is our environmental studies textbook, right? So you can take out your textbook and keep in front of you. And take out lesson number 3rd. So children, in our last class we have started our 3rd lesson, right? What was our lesson name? And here what is our lesson name? Our internal organs and their functions. We have learned what? We have seen our internal organs and their functions. Okay. So what are the examples of our internal organs? Internal organs are nothing but heart, lungs, kidneys, liver, the organs which are located inside our body. That is called internal organs. Okay, so now here what do you mean by internal organ? Internal organs mean the organs which are located inside our body. So we have number of internal organs, and that internal organs only combined together they make what? They make organ system. Very good. What they make? They make organ system. Can you name some organ systems here? Yes, skeletal system, circulatory system, respiratory system, excretory system, muscular system, nervous system, digestive system, and last reproductive system. Okay children. So in this we have seen our first one, the skeletal system. What we have seen students? We have seen the skeletal system. What do you mean by skeletal system? Skeletal system in the sense all the bones they make what? Skeletal system. As you know, our body is consist of total 206 bone. Yes, in our body how many bones are there? 206 bones. And सारे bones क्या है? Different shapes के हैं and different sizes है. Okay. And ये सारे bones जो है एक साथ together what they make? They all together make skeletal system. Okay, पूरे bones combine होकर के what they are making? They are making what? Skeletal system. And we have one diagram also here. This given picture is what? Skeletal system. Okay, and you know very well that human skull consists of how many bones? Human skull is consist of 8 flat bones. Total how many bones are there? 8 flat bones are there, and they are what? Interlocated. एक दूसरे से क्या है वो? Interlocated है, joint है. Okay, and the skull, what the skull do? What is the function? Yes, the function of the skull is to protect our brain. वो हमारे brain को protect करता है. What? Skulls. Okay. Now the next one is backbone. We have seen backbone. Total how many number of bones? 33 bones. 33 bones. It protect what? Spinal cord. Spinal cord, and it protects what? Supports the head also. The backbone is attached to the skull. Now from the backbone, जो पीछे का backbone होता है वो किससे अटैच्ड है स्टूडेंट? वो हमारे हेड से अटैच्ड है. ओके, नाउ अटैच्ड टू द स्कल. The ribs consist of 12 pairs of curved bones. What I said you children here, ribs. Okay, ribs कितने हैं यहाँ पर? 12 pairs है. 12 pair meaning each pair consists of 2 bones. Okay, so 12 pairs of bones are there. Total 24 bones. Okay, now it protects what? It protects lungs. जो internal organ है lungs and heart, ये ribs क्या करता है? उसको protect करता है. Okay, these we have seen on that page. So today we have to start our class from the muscular system. Where we have to start children? We have to start our class from muscular system. You can keep your finger there. This one. Okay, we are in this para now. The muscular system. Now what do you mean by muscular system children? Skeletal system, what I said you? All the bones of your head and your face bone and your arms bone, your ribs and your skull, all combinedly what they are making? They are making skeleton, right? So that system is called skeletal system. But now what do you mean by the muscular system? Muscular system is nothing but all the muscles together make muscular system. सारे जो muscles होते हैं, okay, this cheeks are there. What is this cheeks? Cheeks are also muscles. This arms are also muscles. Your legs, in this also muscles. So all this, and even your heart, even our heart is also a kind of a muscle only. So all this makes what? Muscular system. Now we will see. The human body consists of 650 muscles. How many total muscles we have, children? 650 muscles present. Total number of bones were 206 bone, but now muscles 650. These muscles together form the muscular system. So all these muscles, what they do? Form the muscular system. These muscles form what? Muscular system. These muscles are attached to the bones. Now ये जो muscles है हमारे bone से attached है, okay? They are helpful in making movement in our body. So जो भी body का movement रहेगा, moving from one place to another place, bending and turning back and bending down, whatever the जो भी movement रहेंगे, that movements are happening just because of the muscles, right children? हम हमारे muscles में movement कर रहे हैं, okay? In our daily life, various activities like standing, walking, running, jumping and bending etc. are possible due to the movement of our muscles only. जो हमारे daily life के activities होते हैं, जैसे walking, running and what is there, jumping करना and bending करना. What do you mean by the standing? ठहरना, walking चलना, running भागना and jumping कूदना, bending मुड़ना, अपने आप को थोड़ा सा बेंड करना, झुकाना, ओके एक्सेट्रा. all these are possible because of what? Because of the movement of muscle. हमारे muscles में movement है. If suppose my hand is there, right? In this hand also what is there? Muscles are present, right? If I don't move these muscles of my hand, what will happen? I can't able to move my hand, right? My muscles are able to move, that's why I am able to move my hand from one side to another side, right? Our body consists of 3 types of muscles. Now students, our body consists of 3 types of muscles. जो हमारा body है वो 3 types के muscles से बना हुआ है. First is voluntary muscles, second one involuntary muscles and third one is cardiac muscles. Okay. Now we will see the first one. See this. Voluntary muscles work according to our will, such as the muscles of legs and arms. Now voluntary muscles in the sense work according to our will. जैसे हम चाहते हैं वो वर्क करते हैं, ओके. जैसे कौन से मसल्स, अपने हैंड या फिर आपके लेग्स के मसल्स, हम जैसे चाहें वैसा कर सकते हैं. अगर मैं चाहूँ तो हैंड को यहाँ से यहाँ पर रख सकते हैं एंड अवर लेग्स को फ्रॉम वन प्लेस टू अनदर प्लेस पर उसको मूव कर सकते हैं. सो हम जैसा चाह रहे हैं ये मसल्स को हम उस तरह से मूव कर रहे हैं, ओके. सो दैट काइंड ऑफ ए मसल्स विच मूव्स अकॉर्डिंग टू अस, जो हमसे मूव होते हैं, दैट इज से टू बी एज योर वॉलंटरी मसल्स, ओके स्टूडेंट्स. Involuntary muscles do not work according to our will, such as the muscles of stomach and eyelids. Now सेकेंड वन इज़ इनवॉलेंट्री मसल्स. इनवॉलेंट्री मसल्स किसको बोलेंगे यहाँ पर? ऐसे मसल्स जो हमारे अकॉर्डिंग मूव नहीं होते हैं, जैसे स्टमक है. स्टमक इज़ ऑल्सो अ काइंड ऑफ ए मसल, राइट स्टूडेंट? वो भी क्या है? काइंड का मसल है. एंड आवर आईलिड्स, दिस जो हम आईज़ को क्लोज कर रहे हैं ना, दिस लेयर इज़ कॉल्ड आईलिड्स चिल्ड्रन, ओके. सो ये आईलिड्स या स्टमक, क्या हम इसको अपनी मर्ज़ी से मूव कर सकते हैं? We cannot move from this side to another side and from यहाँ से hand पे रख लिए, hand से यहाँ पर, we cannot, right? So these don't work according to our will. So that's why we are saying it is a involuntary muscles, okay. The muscles of the heart are called cardiac muscles, and जो heart के muscles होते हैं उसको हम cardiac muscles बोलते हैं. These muscles and the skeletal systems works with the help of each other. Now these muscles, यही muscles जो हम पढ़ रहे हैं, and our skeletal system, our bones, ये दोनों क्या करते हैं? फंक्शन करते हैं with each other, एक दूसरे के साथ मिलकर फंक्शन कर रहे हैं, ओके स्टूडेंट्स. So this was about our what? Muscular system. Now we have to read about the circulatory system. Circulatory system. Do you know children, we want the supply of oxygen and blood, right? We want the supply of oxygen and blood to live. हमको ज़िंदा रहने के लिए चाहिए, क्या चाहिए आपको? ऑक्सीजन चाहिए, as well as supply of blood. blood की भी सप्लाई ज़रूरी है, right? So who will supply that? Some parts of the body will supply, okay? So this supply of blood, the supply of blood, ये जो blood की supply हो रही है from to the brain to the heart and to all parts of the body, this process is called circulation. उसको क्या बोलेंगे हम? Circulation, okay? And the system which works on this circulation, that is called circulatory system. That is called circulatory system. Now we will see the circulatory system consists of the heart, blood and blood vessels. So now here what it is, the circulatory system consists of the heart, blood and blood vessels. ये क्या है? circulatory system किस पे depend है? That is on the blood vessels पे. ओके, ब्लड वेजल्स मीनिंग ईयर कुछ वेजल्स प्रेजेंट्स होते हैं जो ब्लड को सप्लाई करते हैं. ओके, द हार्ट इज़ द मेन ऑर्गन ऑफ द सर्कुलेटरी सिस्टम. नाउ जो हार्ट होता है अपना इंटरनल ऑर्गन जो हार्ट है, दैट हार्ट इज़ ओनली द व्हाट? main, that is only the main organ of circulatory system, because whatever the blood has to be transported from heart to the all parts of the body and all parts to the heart. Okay, so students, what this do? It pumps blood to every part of our body. Now this heart only, what this heart do? Heart pumps to every part of our body. सारे body parts को कौन pump करता है? Heart only pumps the blood to all parts of the body. Okay children, the blood flows in blood vessels. Now blood कहाँ पर flow होता है? Blood flow होता है हमारे blood vessels में. एक ऐसे vessels होते हैं, tube kind of structures होते हैं जहाँ से blood pass होता है. Okay, that is called blood vessels. These blood vessels are called arteries. These blood vessels are called arteries. and हम उसको क्या बोल रहे हैं? arteries बोल रहे हैं. arteries supply blood from the heart to the various organ. now who supply the blood from heart to the various organ? heart से पूरे organs को blood कौन supply करता है? arteries supply करते हैं. what is this arteries? arteries are the blood vessels. blood vessels called veins collect back blood back to the हार्ट. नाउ जस्ट नाउ व्हाट वी हैव सीन स्टूडेंट्स, जो ब्लड वेजल्स होते हैं वो ब्लड पास करते हैं. ओके, हार्ट से पूरे पार्ट्स ऑफ द बॉडी को कौन सप्लाई कर रहा है? ब्लड आर्टरीज कर रहे हैं. ओके, नाउ आफ्टर सप्लाइंग दिस ब्लड टू द पार्ट्स ऑफ द बॉडी, अगेन इट हैज़ टू कम बैक टू द हार्ट, राइट? सो हु विल ब्रिंग दैट ब्लड अगेन टू द हार्ट? वेन्स विल ब्रिंग दैट ब्लड back to the heart. The blood supplies oxygen and food to all the organs of the body. Now blood, what the blood do? Blood will supply the oxygen, and वो blood में क्या present है? Oxygen is present. Okay student, and food to all organs of the body. सारे organs को क्या supply करता है? Oxygen supply करता है blood. It is also helpful in removing waste from the body parts. So now here what it is helpful? This blood is only helpful in removing what? Waste from the body parts. Our heart beats about 72 times per minute. Now see students, per minute, 1 minute में our heart will be there, right? It is you can able to hear the sound also of your heart if you are very close to the heart, right? What is the sound? Lub and dub. This is one time, right? Lub and dub. So like this only, lub, dub, this 72 times will happen in per minute, 1 minute children. Okay, it beats all the time and works throughout our life. and ये हमेशा बीट करते रहता है, धड़कते रहता है, and whole life, जब तक हम जिंदा हैं तब तक ये हार्ट बीट चलते रहता है. ओके, so this is what? This is our circulatory system. Okay, what circulatory system is? Circulatory system is consist on heart only. We have blood vessels. How many blood vessels we have? 2 blood vessels है, एक है arteries और एक है veins. arteries क्या करता है? पूरे हार्ट से क्या करेगा? वो सारे बॉडी पार्ट्स को ब्लड सप्लाई करेगा. बट वेन्स क्या करेगा? बॉडी पार्ट्स से वो अगेन हार्ट को ब्लड सप्लाई करेगा. ओके चिल्ड्रेन, so total how many times our heart beats for 72 times per minute. what the blood supply to our organs? Blood supplies to what? Blood supplies oxygen to all parts of our body. Okay children, after this we will continue in our next video. We'll do the continuation children. Okay, now come to the homework. what is the homework? Write the functions of the following nerves. अब आपको क्या करना है? some nerves का functions लिखना है. okay, sensory nerves and mixed nerves. You learn these definitions of these nerves and you keep remember. Tomorrow it will be useful for our explanation, children. Okay. Sensory nerves. What do you mean by sensory nerves? Sensory nerves bring message from the sense organs to the brain और स्पाइनल कॉर्ड. नाउ ये सेंसरी नर्व्स क्या करते हैं? मैसेजेस लेकर आते हैं हमारे सारे पार्ट्स ऑफ द बॉडी से. सेंस ऑर्गन्स, आइज, ईयर्स, नोज, टंग एंड स्किन, ये सारे मैसेजेस लेकर आकर किसको पास कर रहे हैं? हमारे ब्रेन को पास करते हैं. विच नर्व इज हेल्पिंग अस? सेंसरी नर्व्स. नाउ मिक्स्ड नर्व carry orders from the brain. Now brain will reply, right? If parts of the body are giving some any message to the brain, mean brain has to reply that. So brain will reply, right? Who will carry that reply of the brain? Mixed nerve will carry the reply of the brain. So these two definitions of sensory nerves and mixed nerves you learn and keep ready, students. Tomorrow in our lesson explanation I will ask you this. Okay, write this 2 times and keep ready. I hope you will complete and you will learn these definitions and the sensory nerves and mixed nerves, whatever the meanings are there. Inshallah, we'll continue our class in our next video. Till then, take care and have a nice day, everyone.